Master 7 future high-income skills for 2025. Want to thrive in 2025's competitive job market? Discover the 7 high-income skills you need to secure a prosperous future. These skills will not only ensure job security, but also open doors to higher earning potential. Let's dive in. Generative AI is transforming industries. Master this cutting-edge technology to streamline business operations and drive innovation. Stay ahead by leveraging AI-powered tools to unlock new creative possibilities. Data is the new oil. Becoming proficient in data analysis equips you with the power to make informed decisions. Interpret complex datasets to provide insights that are critical for business strategies and operations. Become an architect of the digital age. Learning software development enables you to craft technology solutions and applications that address modern challenges. It combines creativity with technical expertise. UX design focuses on enhancing user interactions with products. Create intuitive and enjoyable digital experiences that captivate audiences. Blend art and science to craft seamless, user-friendly interfaces. Web development is the backbone of the internet. Mastering this skill means you can build captivating websites that engage and inform. Align technical precision with creative elements to develop compelling online platforms. Project management ensures a vision becomes reality. Lead teams to success by organizing resources and timelines. Develop strategic methods to bring projects to fruition efficiently, a vital skill in today's fast-paced environment. Stand out by mastering content creation. Combine storytelling with analytical insights to engage audiences across digital platforms. Craft compelling narratives that resonate and drive engagement. Embrace these skills to future-proof your career. Start learning today to become indispensable in tomorrow's workplace. Subscribe for more insights and share this video with peers looking to elevate their careers. Let's build a brighter future together.